Hi my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have, and the topic of this video: iPhone SOS only, searching iPhone, fix signal dropping, no service. Okay, now I show you very effective methods and maybe best of the best methods how to fix your problem: searching iPhone, SOS only, fix signal dropping, no service, it's okay. Okay, let's get started and do everything step by step. Please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not, your like, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. Okay, we go next and we go step number 1, how to fix its problem. We go settings and click search and typing the text reset, and we go reset, and we go reset, click, and reset network settings, click and enter your passcode and reset network settings completed. Yeah, okay, I click cancel and now check it this works, no works, fix, no fix. Okay, now click reset and reset all settings and check it this. Now we go next, we go home, let's go back, and first we need to clear the cache your iPhone. It's good methods, very effective methods how to how to clear the cache your iPhone. Okay, now I show you good and fastest method. You look button turn off and button volume down and press and hold this button maybe 7 or 12 seconds and you look, slide to power off, click and right, yeah. Okay, and you look black or dark screen and waiting your iPhone turn off. Now press button turn on and waiting, you look Apple logo and your iPhone loading and clear the cache your iPhone completed. Yeah, finish it. So now we go next and I show you maybe best of the best method how to fix your problem, how to soft reset with hardware your iPhone. Yeah, okay, enter passcode and we go next, fix your problem. Yeah, so I show you, you repeat after me. This is very important. Yeah, so press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Yeah, I show you, look, press the volume up, volume down and press button turn off and hold this button and hold and you look waiting and you look Apple logo and complete it. Yeah, finish it, don't hold. Yeah, so and check it this minute. Okay, now I show you best of the best method how to fix your problem. Yeah, just a little more, enter passcode my iPhone and we go settings, and scroll up and click search and typing the text reset, general reset, and erase all content and settings and continue and passcode for this iPhone and your iPhone deletes photos, videos, it's okay, information, maybe contacts, and it's okay. So, and check if this method, it's not now. Okay, guys, I showed you best of the best, maybe best of the best method. Check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. Okay, you comments, I show you how to fix its problem, your iPhone, model number, your iPhone, and please comment version iOS, your iPhone. It's very good and effective methods. I show you how to fix your problem, new methods. Yeah, guys, please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not your like, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So please comment, subscribe to the channel. Bye.